how to link records between tables in Airtable. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can link records between tables in Airtable. So kindly watch till the end. The first step is to log in into your Airtable account, and the second thing you must notice is that linking records between tables in Airtable allows you to create a relational database structure, and here is how to do it. The first step is to log in into your account, open your database, and navigate to the table where you want to create a link. Okay, so after clicking on your base and you're brought to the base interface, just wait patiently for your base to load. So once that's loaded, select the table you would like to work with. For me, I'll be working with table 1 and not table 2. After working with table 1, the next thing to do is to either make use of a field amongst the fields here to link records between tables, or you can just go ahead and add a new field. All right, so to add a new field, just go to the right side here, click on the plus icon. After doing that, a box will be displayed. Then you'll be asked to type out the field name. Okay, so this name could be assignment. Okay, assignment. And then the field type, you will select link to another record. Okay, so you have to select the table, which is table 1, and then you have to select the kind of relationship you want between these tables, the kind of linking you want. Do you want to allow linking to multiple records, or do you want to limit the record to a view? For me, I'll be limit the record to a view, and then you can now select the view. All right, and then go ahead and click on create field. And then once you're done creating field, you can also use the linked records to create lookup fields or junction table, whichever one. But if you don't want, you can just skip it. And then just like that, this particular table will be linked to table 2. Very, very simple. Ensure you try it out today. Thanks for watching.